In this video, I'm going to show you how to use intraday timeframes and advanced filters in Screener on Finviz. Now to do this, you'll have to have the elite plan, otherwise you won't be able to customize it as much, so let me show you how to now do this. Of course, you want to go to the Screener tab up top over here, where this is going to be happening, and here you have all the good stuff. Now, the first thing you can do is set up your foundation, so this is going to be your descriptive tab over here, so whatever you want to change here and whatever you want to set, you can do it in here. That's going to be the first thing. I'm just going to skip this for now because, of course, I'm not here to waste your time. Then the second thing is going to be to access the custom technical filters. To do this, you want to go up here where it says technical and you want to click on it. It's this one here about in the middle. And then from here, you want to click on the plus filter button to open the custom indicator dropdown. So from here, you can then go and select an advanced indicator, something like, for example, like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, whatever you want to use. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. I'm going to just click on Bollinger Bands over here for this example. And as you can see in here, you can go and choose your intraday time frames. So we have Bollinger Bands. Of course, you can change which you want to see. I'm going to just use the default 22. And then you have the either upper band, SMA, or lower band. I'm going to leave it like it is. And then from here, if you have the elite version of Finviz, you'll be able to see the intraday time frames, okay? So we can then go ahead and choose your time frames. Here you have 1 minute, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, and then you have like 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours as well. So I'm going to do 10 minutes right now, and I'm going to click on apply, which as you can see, it's going to get applied, and then here, it's going to ask you basically which price you want. So I'm just going to click on this one over here. There we go, free example. And okay, as you can see over here, I've added my custom filter basically inside Finviz over here on the intraday, okay? Which is of course amazing. Now, what you can then do whenever you've done this, you could go and add a new filter over here, for example, and then you can go ahead and change like different things. You could go and do the price one as well. If I click on price over here, for example, I can do intraday over here as well, and then it's going to kind of allow you some customization. So I can go, for example, price 5 minutes is above or equal, or I could do, for example, above, and then I could do some value over here, and I'm going to do like, for example, 1,000, like something completely random. You could swap sides as well if you want to. If you prefer the other view, click on submit, and then it's going to filter through it, okay? Which is, of course, pretty awesome to do as well. And then what's the best here is you could also go and save this so you don't have to do it all over again every single time you are in here. So you can go to my presets, top left, you can click on it and save the current screen, and that's all you have to do. Give it a name and then save it, and you are good to go. You have your custom presets saved, and that's how to use the intraday timeframes and advanced filters in Screener on Finviz. So that's how simple it is. Everything is inside technical and then plus filter tab, where you can see different price overlays and then indicators as well, which you can customize and then change according to your own preference. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.